Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today's theme is blue. कोई खास रीज़न नहीं है, बस ऐसे I thought why not play with blue. It's been a while. I love color play. I love playing with different colors on my eyes and I think it makes you look very youthful and very playful. Now before we go ahead, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup, and let's go ahead with the video. So I'm going to start with a primer. And that's going to be from Forever 52. बहुत light primer है, so I kind of use it for daily use. Face के center से I prefer using it because that's the area जहाँ पे मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा pores है. I'm going to start with the eyes today because this particular palette that I'm using today has a lot of fallout. So I would prefer doing the eyes first. I have applied the concealer, the light concealer from Tarte. And I have applied it all over my lids and just blended it really well with a damp beauty blender. इसको set करेंगे, so I have taken like a compact powder. आपके पास कोई भी compact powder हो, आप उससे इसको set कर सकते हैं, just so that we have a clean good base to do our eye makeup. So this is the magical palette and ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. This is one of my favorites. I'm going to be taking this teal shade. ग्रीन भी नहीं है, ब्लू भी नहीं है, टील बोलते हैं इसे जनरली. आई हैव वेट माई ब्रश क्योंकि जब आप एक गीले ब्रश से इसका एप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो वो और ज़्यादा उठ के आएगा. सो इफ़ यू सी आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम माई इनर कॉर्नर एंड आई एम टेकिंग इट आउटवर्ड्स. पूरा लिड कवर नहीं करूँगी मैं, बट एटलीस्ट 3/4 इज़ वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू मेक श्योर आई हैव डन. नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग इज दिस अ लिटिल डार्कर ब्लू. ये अगेन थोड़ा ग्लिटरी शेड है. And if you see, I'm applying it again on the outer corner, but not towards the end, because इसके end में मैं actually कोई और color लगाना चाहती हूँ. So एक soft gradation from light to dark का जो concept है वो मैं follow करना चाहती हूँ. And I'm just mixing it well, if you see, very slowly with the light color as well, so that it looks like a flow. So now I've taken that matte dark blue shade from the same palette और इसे मैं खाली अपने outer lid पे corner पे deposit कर रही हूँ. मैं इसको अभी blend करना शुरू नहीं करूँगी because it's a dark shade and I don't want to risk and कि वो मेरे बाकी के shade के साथ mix हो जाए and then जो मैं effect चाहती हूँ from light to dark वो पता ही ना चले. So right now I'm just depositing the product and then I'm going to take a clean blending brush, a fluffy brush, a tapered brush, whatever you want to call it. इसमें मैंने कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं लिया and I'm just going to use this to blend that dark blue towards my crease line. And I'm not going to cover my entire crease. मैं खाली from the outer corner till the center I'm blending that blue without taking any extra product, guys. Just use that blue that you've deposited and that should be enough. You don't want these eyes to be too dark and फिर वो जो आपने इतना beautiful light blue color use किया बीच में उसका effect चला जाए. So just to create like a transition, I have taken a light brown shade. या आप किसी भी palette से ले सकते हैं. Actually आप अपना bronzer भी use कर सकते हैं. And I am just like, if you see, just blurring out the edges of this blue that I have done. Time for eyeliner. And honestly ये मैंने बहुत डर के मैं लगा रही हूँ कैमरे के सामने. I am not good at it, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do 3 things: the liner, my mascara on the upper lashes and my fake lashes. So I'm back. I have done all these 3 things that I had just mentioned. Time to move towards the eyebrows. I am taking the Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil and बोलने की बात नहीं है, बार बार सब जानते हैं कि eyebrows से आपकी शक्ल बदल जाती है. एटलीस्ट मेरी तो बदल जाती है and you will see it how. So for me right now, 80% of my eye makeup is done. I have just taken makeup remover and जो मेरे fallout हुआ है cheeks पे, बाकी के face पे, उसे बस मैंने clean कर दिया है because I want to do my face now. Caramel shade again from Maybelline Age Rewind is the concealer that I'm using for my pigmented area. So under eyes, आपके चेहरे पे कहीं पर भी pigmentation है because of sun, because of sunburn or anything or aging, use a darker shade. Use 2 shades darker to conceal that. Today I'm using the Makeup Forever Y365 is my shade and it's a very like they call it Ultra HD Foundation. तो it's a full coverage foundation guys. Generally मैं ये parties के लिए use करती हूँ, but because I really want कि मेरा eye makeup stand out करे, so I'm just using this this full coverage foundation today. And from the same brand, this is the Y505 I think. I actually got this foundation stick just to contour because I thought ये perfect contouring stick है. And you will see how easily it is to blend this. I mean this foundation is amazing for contour guys. It makes the whole contour आपका इतना natural मतलब करेगा कि आपको blending करने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगी. And that's my contouring done. Next I'm taking a 2 shade light concealer from the same brand, Maybelline Age Rewind. This is the shade Sand, and I just want to highlight my under eye area and थोड़ा सा nose के center में मैं highlight करना चाहती हूँ. So I'm just using it ताकि it's just going to amp up the look. Time to set this makeup. If you wanted to stay longer, आप चाहते हो आपका makeup लंबा टिके, please set this makeup ASAP after the foundation and the highlighting that you've done. I just took the same compact that I had shown you earlier for my eyelids and I have applied that all over my face. बस जो एरिया पे मैंने contour किया है उस पर मैं वो अप्लाई नहीं कर रही हूँ. उस पर मैं ये NYX bronzer अप्लाई करूँगी, powder again, just to set that contouring, and it's just gonna make it more deeper and sharper. And how can I forget my nose? Okay, next I'm using my Tarte palette Pro Blush and Glow I think, and इसी का highlighter and blush दोनों मैं use करने वाली हूँ. बहुत ही subtle highlighter है. It doesn't have a name, but it's from that palette and which I just showed you, and it's a gorgeous champagne color highlighter. And I'm just mixing roughly ये दोनों shades को मिला के जो भी shade बनता है. I think blush तो हर color में अच्छा होता है, so I just mix my blushes also every time. And same, I love a lot of blush. I love a lot of pop of color on the face, so a lot of blush on the cheeks and on the nose as well. Okay, time to complete the eye makeup. Eyes complete नहीं हुए थे, मैंने कहा था वो 80% ही हुआ है. So I'm taking that light shade again. And I'm going to apply it अपने under lashes, lower lashes के under to create a eyeshadow. And if you see now, the eyes will look complete. And वही dark blue shade जो मैंने बिल्कुल last में use किया था, उसको मैं भी outer corner पे use कर रही हूँ. जो effect आँखों के ऊपर दिया था, वही थोड़ा बहुत आँखों के नीचे भी लगेगा. So it's going to look balanced. A very sharp kajal is what I'm going to do. It's not going to be smudged because I don't want to mix black with this look. So that's it. And वो मस्कारा मेरे आँखों के नीचे लग गया है. But guys, here's a tip. कभी भी आप मस्कारा लगा रहे हो और वो ऐसे नीचे लग जाए, please do not touch it. Let it dry and then you can remove it easily with an earbud. Forever 52 Bleached. That's the shade that I'm wearing today. It's a light pink nude kind of shade because I want my eyes to stand out. So इसलिए मैंने एक nude shade choose किया है. And now just setting it all with a makeup spray, and this one is from Pat Cosmetics. And here you go guys. ये मेरा complete look है. I absolutely loved it because I love color guys. I can keep repeating it कि I love color, and you can actually create this look with green, pink, whatever shades you like. You can create it with anything, even with neons. Neons are so in these days, and I'll soon create a look with that as well. Now if you like it, you know what you have to do. Share it with your friends, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, find me on Instagram, and come back very soon. Bye.